Is PotatoVPN the best VPN in 2026? They say PotatoVPN is one of the fastest, safest, and most reliable VPNs of 2026. You see it everywhere: TikTok, YouTube, ads promising that it can unblock anything, protect your data like military armor, and keep you anonymous with just one tap. Sounds amazing. Almost too amazing. But is PotatoVPN really that good, or is it just another app boosted by viral marketing? I kept seeing mixed comments online. Some people swear it's the best budget VPN ever. Others say it's too basic, too slow, or not as powerful as the ads claim. So I decided to look deeper. What does PotatoVPN actually offer, and is it worth your trust? According to its official site, PotatoVPN gives you advanced encryption, servers all around the world, fast speeds, one-tap connection, tracking protection, streaming access, anonymous browsing, basically the usual list every VPN promises. The difference is that PotatoVPN is marketed as simple. No complex settings, no confusing menus, just download, tap, and go. But whenever a VPN starts throwing around phrases like military-grade encryption and complete online invisibility, yeah, we have to look closer. Because big words don't always mean big security. One of the first red flags is the lack of transparency. PotatoVPN doesn't clearly reveal who owns the company, where they're located, or what independent audits they've passed. For a service handling your privacy, that's something you notice. It doesn't automatically mean it's unsafe, but it does raise questions. Then I tested the speed, the thing they brag about the most. And here's the truth. Nearby servers? Great, fast, smooth, stable. But once you jump to faraway countries, the speed drops more than expected. Not unusable, but definitely not what their ads promise. It's the classic story with budget VPNs: good performance, but not top tier. Streaming was also a mixed bag. Some platforms worked instantly. Others blocked the connection. Sometimes you connect easily, sometimes you get detected. It feels a bit like gambling. Not terrible, not amazing, just inconsistent. And the famous no logs policy? Sounds reassuring, but there's no public audit to prove it. Many top VPNs have verifiable audits done by independent cybersecurity companies. PotatoVPN hasn't reached that level yet. They say they don't store your data, but we only have their word for it. User reviews online tell the same story. Some people say PotatoVPN is life-changing, especially for the price. Others complain about random disconnections, slower speeds, or issues in restricted countries. And a few reviews look a little too polished, like someone copy-pasted them. Always suspicious. When it comes to pricing, PotatoVPN shines. It's cheaper than most competitors. And that's why a lot of users choose it. It's simple, affordable, and works well enough for everyday browsing. The downside is that you don't get advanced features like multi-hop routing, RAM-only servers, or the deep transparency that premium VPNs offer. So is PotatoVPN the best VPN of 2026? Honestly, no. Is it good? Yes, for the right kind of user. If you want something easy, cheap, and decent for browsing, occasional streaming, and basic privacy, PotatoVPN will get the job done. But if you're looking for top security, consistent, high-speed, advanced features, and fully documented transparency, there are stronger options out there. PotatoVPN isn't a scam, but it's not a miracle product either. It's a simple, functional VPN wrapped in very bold marketing. If this video helped you decide before buying, go ahead and like, comment, or share so more people don't fall for exaggerated ads. Stay safe, stay smart, and remember, no VPN can replace good online habits.